Yay, the module of mystery has been identified. So I had to remove this out of the vehicle. And I discovered that there is in fact identifying information on the module itself. But you have to take it out of this retainer clip that secures it into the vehicle. And if we do that, oh, we see what's going on pretty quickly. Well, I see you're not getting a good view of it there in internet land, but what it says is, I am a German part, and you must read German to know what I am, but I'll decode it. Reifendruck Control. Yeah, I know that was probably horrendous. I sprechen Sie Deutsch not. So, if you were to Google translate that, like I did, you would find out that that means roughly tire pressure monitor system. So the other giveaway is the FCC ID at the bottom there. That means it's a radio. Any device that transmits has to have a Federal Communications Commission ID number so that they can track you down. Anyway, mystery solved, and my bigger ongoing mystery continues. So thanks for checking it out and for giving some thought to my conundrum. Please feel free to subscribe so you can stay tuned and watch as things progress, and hopefully we discover what the ultimate root cause of poor Ferdinand's cranking no start problem is, because it's time to get him out of hibernation. See you next time.